everyone. Print Seperate PDF app helps user to print and multiple separate PDF reports of sales, purchase, invoice, stock, MRP with the zip file. User can print and separate PDF report for each record from the list view in the action. At first, let's start with the sales to see how this module actually works. So from here we need to select an multiple sale order. Okay, under action we can see an option named print different PDF. So when we get into that, it will open a new wizard. Okay, and from here we need to select and print PDF report. Okay, whether it is a quotation or a pro forma invoice. As we are in the sale order, it will show only the quotations related print. So for that it will show an quotation and as well as the pro forma invoice right away here. So first let me select an quotation and we need to click on the download option right away here. If the user not select and separate PDF field on the reports, it will display a warning like this. To choose and separate PDF on the reports, we need to get into the settings. Okay. From here under technical we can see and reportings. We can see and reports right away here. Yes, here it is. Okay, let me get into the reports, and from here we need to select and quotation. Okay, so we are using and quotation to print. So from here I'm going to choose and quotation in the reports. And in the advanced settings we can see and separate PDF field. We need to enable this one. Okay, let me save this one and get back to the order, and I have selected in 3 sale order, and we need to click on the download option. Okay, so after clicking on the download button, another wizard will be open. Okay, will display display and download zip file for the PDF report. So from here we can download the zip file. Yeah, the zip file will be downloaded. Let me get into the downloads and see the downloaded reports. That is, user can see and separate PDF reports for after extracting the zip file. So this is the zip file. We can extract it and see how many orders, that is the orders we can see. Okay, you can see the orders right away here. Like the same way we can do this for an pro forma as well. So for that we need to select and multiple quotations from here, that is sale order, and from here under action we can see and print PDF report. From here we need to choose an pro forma invoice. So before that we need to enable the option in the reports as well. So from here we need to get into the pro forma invoice. Under the advanced properties we need to select and separate PDF option, that is we need to enable it. After enable we can select a download, and from here it will lead us to the another wizard to download the zip file. So from here we can download it like this. Okay, so it will show only the 2 reports that we have downloaded. Okay, the two reports that we have selected. Okay, like the same way we have did for in sales now. Like the same way we can do this for and picking order, RFQ, delivery slip, invoices with payment and also the without payment, as well as the production order for manufacturing as well. Okay, so let me get into the purchase and show how it shows in the particular purchase order. So from here we need to choose in multiple purchase order, that is RFQs, and from here we can see a print different PDF, and from here we can select it and RFQ or else a purchase order from here, and we need to click on the download option. It will lead us to the next wizard to download the zip file. From here we can download the zip file as much as easier. Okay, from here you can see that 9, 10 and 11 that we have selected, which is in the PDF. Yeah, we have downloaded 9, 10 as well as the 11. Okay, and the another thing that we have is in if the user select only and single data in the list view and click on that print PDF. Let me download in purchase order. Okay, so let me choose a different yeah. So from here it will show and select more than 1 records to download. So it will raise a warning that we need to select a more than 1 records. Okay, so in this way we can make use of this module to print and separate PDF formats for all the models. Thank you for watching.